What up, everybody? It's your boy Rockstar '08 or Big Freakum or whatever I feel like calling myself at the time. Um, well, me and my friends we used to watch watch like the nasty stuff and get reactions to them. But I'm back home and I'm about to get a reaction myself. I heard it's one guy, one screwdriver. I just saw I don't know his name, Mac something. Oh, what's his name? I Mac Be Sexy. I just saw that one. I just saw his, so I'm about to go and see it now. I'm nervous because I saw all the other ones and they were nasty. So here it goes. This is the same dude who did one jar, with the jar up his ass that broke. That's what it looked like. Ooh, that's even worse. Oh my god, he is pulling a screwdriver out of his. Oh, the blood! Ooh! Ooh! Oh! 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 Oh my god, that is so gross! And it's bleeding, it's squirting blood. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That is so nasty. Oh. Oh my god. I pray this. Man, this stuff gotta be fake, y'all. Oh. Why is there a bathtub full of blood in there? And in the sink? What? That was, that was disgusting. Oh, that was so disgusting. That was disgusting. Y'all, what the heck? Why? What? Like, really? 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 What is this world coming to? That was horrible. It's my phone. What? Oh my god. This world is coming to an end real soon. Because that was disgusting. I don't even know how to react to that. Like, what? I'm out.